Need help loading your power wheelchair or scooter into the back of your vehicle? Check out the Bruno Joey platform lift. With a lifting capacity up to 350 pounds and able to go into both SUVs and minivans. Applications that require no drilling make it ideal for both vehicle owners and vehicles that are being leased. Want to confirm your application? Check out blvd.com where you can locate a dealer nearest you that's able to confirm your application in a matter of minutes. Click the subscribe button to watch an in-depth video on this product.